I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel your Peacock TV subscription, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Open the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock TV app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner. Step 3. Select Subscription. In Account Settings, look for the Subscription section. This is where you can manage your subscription details. Step 4. Choose Cancel Subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Be aware that you may still have access until the end of your billing cycle. Quick gotcha, if you don't see the cancel option, double check that you're re-logged into the correct account. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After selecting the cancel option, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to read it carefully to ensure your subscription is cancelled. I hope this guide helps you easily cancel your Peacock TV subscription. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.